Bro, pass the ball.
Okay, here.
Bro, you just overthrew it, and now it's on Karen's yard.
Oops, my bad.
It's all good. Let me go get it really quick.
Hey, Brat, what did I tell you about getting on my yard?
Oh, here we go. I'm sorry. I was just grabbing my ball.
It's my ball now since it's on my yard. Give it to me.
What? Nah, you stupid.
What did you just call me? Hey, is everything okay? No, because your son just called me stupid. What? Mark, apologize now.
Fine. I'm sorry, Karen, for hurting your feelings when I called you stupid. I really thought you already knew.